If you're looking for a great box cutter that could just fold up, that's super easy to use, comes with extra blades as well, you are absolutely going to love this thing. Let's take a closer look at it. So right off the bat, we got a nice little clip here. So if you want to put it on a tool bag, or if you want to put on your jeans or whatever you want to do, you could do that. This just folds out really simply. You have the actual blade right over here. If you want to fold this back, we're going to push the button right over here, and that simply folds back. To take this blade off right over here, super easy. You could take that off. So see here, we got a little box here. This works really well. You can see it just goes right across. Very little effort on my part right over there. Just really, really nice. Some of these don't work as well. This one actually works awesome. We're gonna get replacement blades as well. We get 10 extra blades. If you want to replace the blade, all you gotta do is push down right over here. This is gonna pull out just like that. You could flip it around if you wanted to use the other side. Then you literally just hold that down just like that. And then we're just gonna slide that back in just like that and pull up, and we're good to go again. So if you are looking for a great box cutter that's super durable, could fold up, it comes with extra blades, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.